Welcome to ICI's comprehensive guide on setting up your FM700X series thermal system. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to install your system and ensure a seamless thermal imaging and asset monitoring process. Let's start by opening the package and unveiling your state-of-the-art ICI system. Ensure you don't cut too deep when you cut the tape, as there may be packing inserts or cables. Within the box is the Ethernet cable and the AC power adapter. Lastly, we have the FM700X series camera for monitoring and measuring asset temperatures. A mounting sticker is included for assisting with proper installation. A memory card is also included for storing media. Seen here are the components included in the package. We are now going to set up the device and go over the general guidelines. Keep in mind, you can find additional instructions in the booklet included with your system. Now let's get started. To ensure the proper setup and positioning of cameras and equipment within your facilities, ICI recommends enlisting the services of a trusted third-party provider. This will help ensure the optimal functionality and performance of the equipment in your specific environment. Please contact your ICI sales representative for recommended partners. Watch our tips and tricks video for selecting installation locations and properly aligning infrared cameras. Before mounting the FM700X, use a standard screwdriver to remove the memory card slot cover. Align the memory card properly and push it into the slot until a click is heard. Reattach the memory card cover and repeat the same sequence of events to set up additional devices in a similar manner. This ensures uniformity and consistency during equipment setup. This is a basic computer, and the steps to deploy it are simple. Connect the Ethernet cable to the appropriate computer port and have a service professional run the cable to the FM700X series device. If connecting multiple devices, a router will be required between the FM700X and the computer. A service professional is recommended for connecting the FM700X device to an appropriate surge-protected electrical source through the AC power cable and adapter. IR Flash Pro software is designed to initialize upon setup, allowing you to immediately start monitoring critical assets. Be sure to watch our IR Flash training videos, which provide you with guidance on establishing regions of interest and collecting data. We also recommend leveraging ICI's proprietary Smart IR software for continuous condition-based monitoring. Smart IR is powered by Amazon Web Services and provides comprehensive analytics and reporting, as well as automated alerts to help users gain insights into asset performance and reliability concerns. Watch our Smart IR training videos, which provide you with comprehensive steps to effectively stream information to the Smart IR platform. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Contact your ICI sales representative with questions and visit us at www.infraredcameras.com.